online class for kids. For more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Hi kids! Do you like music? Because today, we are going to talk about the different music instruments that we can find in an orchestra. Let's take a look. First, the percussion instruments. Xylophone, an instrument with metal or wooden bars. Xylophone. Timpani. It is a set of kettle drums. Timpani. Cymbal. A round instrument made of metal. Cymbal. Snare drum. A small drum fitted with snares or wires. Snare drum. Now, for the stringed instruments. Harp, a large triangular instrument with 46 strings. Harp. Violin, a musical instrument with 4 strings. Violin. Cello, an instrument with 4 strings with deeper tone than the violin. Cello. Double bass, the large instrument of the violin family. Double bass. Piano, an instrument with a keyboard and wire strings. Piano. For the brass instruments. French horn, an instrument that ends in a wild bell shape. French horn. Trombone, an instrument with long tube bend. Trombone. Trumpet, an instrument with 3 valves on a loop tube. Trumpet. Tuba, a large instrument with a wide bell that produces deep tones. Tuba. And last but not the least, wind instruments. Saxophone, an instrument with a curved metal body. Saxophone. Clarinet, an instrument in the shape of a pipe with a single reed mouthpiece. Clarinet. Oboe, an instrument with a high tone and a double reed mouthpiece. Oboe. Bassoon, a large instrument with a long wooden body. Bassoon. Flute, an instrument that produces sound from the flow of air. Flute. And music conductor, a person who directs the performance of an orchestra or choir. Music conductor. Now, let's play a game called Find the Missing Musical Instruments. All you have to do is find the instrument needed. Let's begin. Find the missing xylophone, Correct. That's the xylophone. Find the missing harp. Correct. That's the harp. Find the missing French horn. Correct. That's the French horn. Find the missing saxophone. Correct. That's the saxophone. Find the missing timpani. Correct. That's the timpani. Find the missing cymbal. Correct. That's the cymbal. Find the missing clarinet. Correct. That's the clarinet. Find the missing oboe. Correct. That's the oboe. Find the missing piano. Correct. That's the piano. Find the missing violin. Correct. That's the violin. Find the missing bassoon. Correct. That's the bassoon. Find the missing trombone. Correct. That's the trombone. Find the missing trumpet. Correct. That's the trumpet. Find the missing tuba. Correct. That's the tuba. Find the missing flute. Correct. That's the flute. Find the missing cello. Correct. That's the cello. Find the missing double bass. Correct. That's the double bass. Find the missing snare drum. Correct. That's the snare drum. Find the missing music conductor. Correct. That's the music conductor. Great job, kids! You found all the missing instruments, and I hope you learned a lot today.
See you next time!